Now they have learned about differential equations, we now learn to actually solve them. So to solve is something very simple. It's just basically doing your direct integration, right? Because differential equations is just basically integration, right? To solve them. So you have dy dx equals to e power x, right? So if you want to integrate it, if you have to x, you'll get left side you get back y, integrating ex will give you e power x again, and not forgetting your arbitrary constant plus c. So the basics still stands, right? Now, let's say we move it to a higher degree, right? Let's say we have a second derivative d2y dx2, and we let it equals to x squared. So what happens is that you now have to integrate 2 times, right? Let's just integrate once first to give us dy dx equals to x cubed over 3, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, and then don't forget your arbitrary constant plus c. We integrate again to give us x to the power 4, divide by the new power again, so 4 times 3 gives us 12, plus cx, and then not forgetting the second arbitrary constant plus d. Alright? So every time we integrate more than, we have to integrate more than once, don't forget about your new arbitrary constants as well. Now let's have another example where we do, instead of having x, we have y instead. So dy dx equals to y. There's really no way to integrate it now, right? So we have to manipulate it to give us dx dy equals to 1 over y. Integrating both sides with respect to y to give us x equals to ln mod y whole thing, then you plus ac. So if let's say the question wants to express the answer as a function of x. So first we have x minus c equals to ln y. So we put the function e on both sides to give us e power x minus c modulus y. So since modulus y, right, to get rid of the modulus sign, it means that y cannot be positive or negative. Therefore, we have plus minus e power x minus c. And what next? Well, to get rid of the plus minus, we first separate it out, right? E power x minus c is same as e power x times e power minus c. And then what we do is we let e minus c is a constant, right? Because c is a constant, e is a constant, e power constant would also be a constant. So we let this constant be a. And what happens is that we have y equals to a times e power x, where a is now plus minus e power minus c. And this helps us get rid of the ambiguity. And if we have actual values of x and y, we actually are able to solve the value of a. There we have it. We have solving differential equations.